Pineapples are not only a symbol of wealth and prosperity, but also play an important role in the agricultural economy of the Philippines.
Cool.
With about 67,000 hectares dedicated to pineapple cultivation, this industry not only generates a large amount of revenue, but also contributes to sustainable development. Today we will explore the impressive journey of growing and harvesting pineapples in the Philippines to understand why this country has become one of the leading producers and exporters of pineapples in the world. Before planting pineapples, land preparation is essential, starting with clearing all existing vegetation. This process, known as chapyo, removes unwanted plants and prepares the land for cultivation. Once the field is cleared, plowing and tilling follow. A tractor equipped with a specialized tiller breaks up compacted soil, allowing the pineapple roots to penetrate deeply and absorb nutrients efficiently. Proper soil aeration is important for plant health and to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root disease. The planting process begins 2 months before the new cycle, during which time the seedlings are exposed to the sun to heal any cuts and reduce the risk of infection. The young pineapple plants are treated with a growth stimulant to encourage the roots to penetrate deeper into the soil, increasing the stability and access to nutrients for the plant. Additionally, a black plastic mulch is placed over the planting bed to retain soil moisture and prevent weed growth. During the first week after planting, farmers will spray fungicides to prevent the plants from fungal infections. For the next 30 days or so, farmers will use large capacity containers to fertilize the plants, providing essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that are spread evenly across the fields to provide optimal nutrition for the plants. Regular manual weeding is also necessary for healthy growth of the seedlings. Although pineapples are known for their drought tolerance, adequate water supply is essential for their growth. Once the pineapples begin to grow, shade nets are installed around 80 days after flowering. These nets protect the fruit from excessive sunlight, preventing sunburn and ensuring a uniform yellow color. After small flowers appear in the middle of the rosette of leaves, they gradually transform into golden pineapples over the course of 18 months. Farmers closely monitor the ripening process, conducting tests to assess sweetness and flesh quality. Only when the pineapples reach peak perfection, characterized by a brilliant golden color and an irresistible sweet flavor, are they considered ready to harvest. Harvesting pineapples requires precision and care to avoid damaging the fruit. Traditionally, farmers used baskets to collect the pineapples, but this method often resulted in bruises minimize damage, a specialized harvesting system was developed. Workers now place the freshly harvested pineapples on a conveyor belt, which gently transports them to transport vehicles. This innovation has significantly reduced bruises, ensuring that the pineapples remain in perfect condition. After harvest, the fields are prepared for the next cycle. Older plants are pruned, allowing new shoots to develop. These shoots are then harvested after 2 months, stacked upside down to dry in the sun, and selected for size to ensure uniformity in the next growing cycle. When the pineapples arrive at the packing facility, they undergo a rigorous cleaning and selection process. The first step is to wash the fruit in tanks containing food-grade chlorine to remove any surface contaminants. After washing, the pineapples are taken via elevator to the sorting department, where trained workers inspect each fruit for defects such as cracks, bruising, or deformation. Only the highest quality pineapples move on to the next stage. The next step involves drying the fruit to remove excess moisture, followed by a protective coating of wax. This wax seals the pineapple's pores, reducing moisture loss and extending shelf life. A second round of drying ensures that the wax adheres properly. Before packaging, the pineapples are passed through an automated sorting system based on size and color, where workers carefully pack the fruit into cardboard boxes or wooden crates. After packaging, the pineapples are transferred to a labeling station where each fruit is labeled for tracking and traceability. This step ensures that every pineapple is traceable, maintaining strict quality control standards. After labeling, the pineapples are stacked on pallets, each pallet marked with an identification tag to facilitate inventory management. The final stage before shipping involves pre-cooling the fruit in temperature-controlled chambers. The pineapples must be rapidly cooled to between 45 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain freshness. Once cooled, they are stored in storage chambers until designated shipping units arrive. The logistics team then coordinates the shipment, ensuring timely delivery to both domestic and international markets. Through this video, we hope you will gain a better understanding of the meticulous processes and dedication of farmers that make pineapples a valuable fruit globally. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey of pineapple farming in the Philippines. If you find the video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more interesting stories about agriculture and food. Don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions. We'd love to hear them. See you in the next video! Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to take you on a journey to discover navy beans and kidney beans. These two highly nutritious and versatile beans are staple foods cherished by people worldwide. Yet few realize that bringing them from farm to table requires farmers to invest extensive effort, utilizing advanced cultivation techniques and modern technology. In this documentary video, we will take a closer look at the journey of these beans, from the early stages of planting all the way through to harvesting and processing. To start, let's take a closer look at navy beans. These small, white beans with a delicate, mild flavor are commonly used in soups and stews, enjoyed not only for their appealing taste, but also for their rich nutritional value. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals, navy beans bring numerous health benefits, including supporting heart health, aiding in digestion, and offering a steady source of sustainable energy. The journey begins with preparations for the planting phase. Navy beans grow best in fertile, well-drained soil with a neutral pH. To achieve optimal yield, farmers typically plant in early spring, as navy beans thrive in warmer climates. Today, the entire process is mechanized, making planting much more efficient and convenient. Farmers start by plowing and loosening the soil to ensure that roots can develop well. The seeds are sown at an ideal spacing, ensuring each plant has enough room to grow without crowding, while also allowing the seeds to get sufficient air for proper development. About 2 weeks after planting, the navy bean plants start sprouting young leaves. At this stage, small branches will gradually develop and the entire field will take on the fresh green color of growing bean plants. With proper care, the plants will slowly mature, preparing for a bountiful harvest. When the beans have fully matured, usually around 85 to 100 days after planting, the harvest begins. Determining the right harvest time is essential, as harvesting too early can result in underdeveloped beans, while harvesting too late may reduce bean quality. Farmers monitor visual signs to know when the beans are ready, such as leaves beginning to yellow and pods drying out. Harvesting at the optimal time ensures that the beans reach their peak nutritional value and flavor. Mechanical harvesters are commonly used in this stage, gently pulling the plants from the soil without damaging the beans. These machines allow for efficient harvesting over large areas, enabling farmers to gather beans at their highest quality. Navy beans can be processed into a wide range of products to cater to diverse culinary needs. Now let's take a closer look at canned beans, with a special focus on baked beans, a dish that has gained popularity in many cuisines across countries worldwide. When the dried beans arrive at the factory, the first step is to rehydrate them, allowing them to soften in preparation for the next stages of processing. Following this, the beans go through a carefully controlled cooking process known as the thermal death time. This crucial stage ensures the complete elimination of harmful bacteria while preserving the beans' maximum nutritional value. Notably, during this process, the beans gradually absorb the tomato sauce, an essential ingredient that imparts the distinct flavor characteristic of baked beans. The tomato sauce, made from concentrated tomato paste, adds rich color and flavor to the dish. Beyond taste, tomato paste also provides lycopene, an important nutrient for health. The beans then move to the canning stage. They are evenly divided into cans, ensuring each can has the right amount, not too full or too empty. This control helps the beans cook evenly, achieving the perfect texture and flavor. If the can is too full, the beans won't cook properly, affecting product quality and shelf life. Once the cans of beans are prepared, they are placed into a large pressure cooker. Here, the beans are cooked at temperatures exceeding 120 dC for several minutes. This process not only enhances the flavor and retains the beans' nutrients, but also eliminates any bacteria, allowing the product to be stored safely for extended periods without the need for preservatives. The process of growing red kidney beans is similar to that of navy beans, but requires some adjustments due to their unique characteristics. The soil needs to be plowed and prepared to ensure good aeration, proper drainage, as well as moisture retention and stable temperature. Farmers typically wait until the soil warms up to the ideal temperature before sowing seeds, ensuring that the beans can sprout and grow vigorously. Red kidney beans are typically harvested when the plants have completed their growth cycle and start to wither. The ideal time for harvesting is when the leaves have turned yellow and begun to fall, the stems show signs of drying, and the bean pods have hardened. Farmers use a combine harvester to collect red kidney beans. These machines are designed to perform multiple tasks in the field simultaneously, from cutting plants to threshing and separating beans. During operation, the machine cuts the base of the plant, threshes and screens to separate beans from stems and leaves. The beans are collected in a storage compartment while stems and other plant parts are discarded. This harvesting method increases efficiency, reduces bean loss, and ensures uniform bean quality. A combine harvester can harvest around 3 to 5 tons of beans per day, depending on field conditions and machine performance. Using a combine harvester not only shortens the harvest time, but also reduces labor costs, making it suitable for large-scale farming areas and ensuring kidney beans are of high quality post-harvest. The processing of red kidney beans at the factory begins with introducing raw materials into the processing system. The kidney beans are then moved through stages of impurity removal, where broken beans, dust, and unwanted small stones are meticulously processed. This step ensures that the raw materials meet quality standards before proceeding to the next phases. Next, the kidney beans are passed through a magnetic separation system, which completely removes magnetic metal impurities to ensure product safety. Once cleaned, the kidney beans are carefully packaged before being distributed to the market, delivering a high-quality product that meets safety standards for consumers. Through this video, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the cultivation, harvesting processes, and the remarkable health benefits of navy beans and red kidney beans. Thank you for watching. If you found this journey interesting, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear how you incorporate navy beans and red kidney beans into your meals, or if you have any questions about the growing process. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about agriculture and sustainable food production.